What's up everybody, and welcome back to another video. Also, happy Halloween. Today is going to be Dyna Days episode 1. Today we have my buddy Mario's 2013 Dyna Street Bob. We're getting ready to go to the Lone Star Rally in Galveston, Texas next weekend. We're going to be going from November 6th through the 9th. We're going to be going November 7th through the 9th. So we're just getting his bike ready to hit the road. So today we are going to be installing a sissy bar. So the sissy bar he chose is going to be from Top Hand Ventures. Alright, so let's get the bike on the tire stand and get started. Alright guys, the first thing I'm going to do today is one, get rid of these reflectors because the sissy bar is going to sit right here in between these. And then take the bottom bolt out of the shocks. So this has free swing. That way when I raise the rear of the bike, the tire will be able to drop, gaining me access under here for the 2 bolts. That way I don't have to remove the tire or this. As well, gonna have to take the seat off. Alright, so this bolt right here is gonna be a T50 Torx head. The other side is going to be the same thing, a T50, but on the back side, it's going to have a nut, and that should be a 19 millimeter. That should be good. So now I have a lot of clearance to work with. Alright, so now all I'm going to use for this, you can use a heat gun. I'm just going to use a hair dryer just so I don't make this super hot. And I'm going to use this plastic card just to put on the back side and work my way through and get it off. I'm gonna take some Goo Gone and I'm gonna clean up the adhesive that's on the back of this. Alright, so what I like to do, which is probably what other people like to do also, different ways you can do it. You can hit it up, pick it off by your fingers, whatever. I just like to spray some on the towel. Just like that. Both sides are done. So now I'm going to be removing these lights. Probably going to have to pull the wiring out It's not gonna be too terribly hard because it's all right here. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of pivot this in, right? So I'm gonna put it here in the back, run these bolts through the back of the sissy bar, and I'm going to rotate it forward and then put these bolts back in. All right, so this is the underside. This is going to be a 1/2 inch socket right here and here. So I'm going to take those out first. So on the back of this, there's a little retaining pin along with this bracket. So all I did was get one of these pick tools and just popped it out a little bit. So I can be able to swivel it in. And I don't think I'm gonna need to take out the wiring on the bike. That's a plus. All right, so what I'm gonna do, it has these holes right here, and this is where your wiring is gonna go through, so you don't have to take it off. I'm gonna slide this down here, put the bolt back in, and I'm gonna pivot it down, and I'm gonna take these out. So first, I'm going to gently slide this down. Just enough to where I can pop this back in. There we go. There we go, right there. And this side, I'm gonna do the same thing. Okay, well, the camera timed out when I was filming, but I was able to get everything back to where it belongs. So right here, this is the bolt on the left hand side, and then there's this little retaining nipple right here. It's the same on the right side. And here you have a washer that is attached to the frame rail right here. And this comes right out, pop it out, slide this in between, put the brace back through, and then just line up the holes, put it back in. And then it's gonna be the same exact thing with this. All right, so time to button everything back up. Give it the old ugga dugga right there. Next, I'll throw the seat back on there. So Mario's bike, quick little rundown, and I will have him talk more about it whenever he can. But this is he's the third owner of this bike, but surprisingly, this thing has super low miles. Super low. Let's see. 2,412 miles. Like, that's insane. For a 14-year-old bike? Look at that. 2,412 miles on a 2013 bike. That's nice. Super well maintained. So now he gets to enjoy this bike. All right, now last thing that needs to happen is gotta bring the bike back down and put the shocks back. And then we'll be good to go. So there we go. Just right. There we go. That side is good. T50 right there. We'll check the other side. Yep, right there. Perfect. Remember, this side on the left has that little nut. So get that going. So, there we go. All right, now last part. All right, now that everything's buttoned back up, we'll get it off the tire stand. We'll put it outside. Go. All right, guys, there you have it. Quick and easy install. Took, with filming, about an hour. It's almost 6 o'clock. I started at right about 5 o'clock this evening. It is 5:50 right now. So super easy stuff to do. I'm gonna have Mario on soon. That way he can go over all the details of everything that he wants to do on this bike. It's a sweet bike. Super jealous of it, actually. But yeah, we are going to the Lone Star Valley November 7th, 8th, and 9th. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and remember, ride safe.